Hello everyone, welcome back to Growing with the Gold. We're so glad to have you with us today. Today we're getting down and dirty with our giant pumpkins thanks to California Pumpkins. Nick Kennedy, big shout out to you guys. Our plants are doing great. They're starting to get pretty big. We're having a kind of cool spring, summer here on the North Coast, but they aren't seeming to have a hard time. But it's time to get some more food in the garden. So today we're gonna re-amend the pots with our giant pumpkins. We're gonna top dress with our crown jewels, all purpose, and grow. And the reason we're gonna mix this is we want a little bit higher nitrogen than just the 555. We're trying to bump that nitrogen up a little higher than the potassium and the phosphorus, have a slightly higher number than just the even 555. So we're just gonna mix the two. It's the beauty of the Crown Jewels products. You can kind of mix and match and customize to hit exactly what your goals are for your crops in the garden. We'll be showing you more of this with other crops throughout the Growing with the Gold series. So we're gonna get in on our application right here with this Crown Jewels all-purpose. And one beautiful thing about the Crown Jewels products is all of their application rates are pretty similar. So we're looking at right here, growing medium application for established plants, top dressing, 1 to 3 tablespoons per gallon of soil. And 1 tablespoon equals about a half an ounce. We've got 400 gallons here. So we say, all right, 1 tablespoon for each of those gallons, 400, cut that in half. Now you're down to about 200 ounces. So 200 ounces divided by 16 ounces in a pound, and you get to about 12.5 pounds. So we're gonna go a little bit on the stronger side today using some of each. So we're gonna go 10 pounds of each, and that's gonna come in about 20 pounds. 36 pounds would be our top end. If we really wanted to push it, we're gonna go about 20 pounds. 10 pounds of grow, 10 pounds of all-purpose. Just so you know, you can play around with that math to land at that application rate you're looking for. So we'll just go in here. We're gonna pull off all this straw, get this top dressed in really nice and scratched in, put our mulch back on top, water it in heavily, and let the plants do the rest. Check it out. All right, so we got all that Crown Jewels fertilizer on here. We got it scratched in. We got you that golden insight. All that's left for us to do today is get this straw on top and get it watered in and let the plants do their thing. Thanks for checking in with us on Growing with the Gold to see why Royal Gold is the gold standard in gardening. We hope to help your garden hit that gold standard today.